If you're considering purchasing a portable speaker, chances are you're looking for something that's compact, durable, and can produce high-quality sound. \n, but what if I told you there's a product on the market that claims to be all of those things but may not live up to its promises? For the best price, click the link in the description. The Bambu Lab P1S is a portable speaker designed for outdoor enthusiasts and individuals who need a reliable source of sound on the go. \n, but here's what surprised me about this product. It has some serious competition from established brands that offer similar features at a lower price point. You see, the Bambu Lab P1S boasts an impressive 12-hour battery life, IP67 water resistance, and compatibility with Bluetooth devices. \n, however, I dug deeper to find out if these specs translate to real-world performance, and what I found was both surprising and concerning. One of the most significant drawbacks of the Bambu Lab P1S is its weight. Weighing in at 2.2 pounds, it's significantly heavier than other portable speakers on the market. \n, therefore, if you're planning to use this speaker for extended periods or take it with you on long hikes, you may find it cumbersome. Another issue I encountered was the speaker's sound quality. While it produces decent bass and is loud enough for a small gathering, it lacks clarity and precision in the high-end frequencies. \n, but what really caught my attention was the Bambu Lab P1S's lack of support for popular streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this speaker worth the investment? Unfortunately, after conducting extensive research and testing, I have to say that the Bambu Lab P1S falls short in several key areas. \n, however, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with basic features, it might be worth considering. The build quality of the Bambu Lab P1S is decent, but not exceptional. The speaker's design is sleek and modern, but it feels flimsy to hold. \n, therefore, I wouldn't recommend this product for anyone who plans to use it extensively or expose it to harsh environments. One redeeming quality of the Bambu Lab P1S is its affordability. Priced at around $50, it's a budget-friendly option that won't break the bank. \n, but if you're looking for a high-quality portable speaker with advanced features, I'd recommend exploring other options. In conclusion, while the Bambu Lab P1S has some appealing features, its drawbacks and limitations make it a less-than-ideal choice for most users. \n, however, if you're on a tight budget or need a basic speaker for casual use, it might be worth considering. For the best price, click the link in the description to check out the Bambu Lab P1S on Amazon.